Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 7 and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. And it's a fairly simple option which can be found in your notification panel. If you extend it, you'll see the toggle right over here. So you can hold it. This will take us to the settings where you can customize a couple of settings. So you have record system sounds. If you want this, you can enable it. You also have record microphone. Now I will mention that if you're planning to record both of them, I would strongly suggest for you to use headphones, otherwise you will have a undesirable echo because microphone will be also picking up the speakers itself, while if you use headphones, microphone cannot hear the headphones that are in your ear. So yeah, but the recording will still keep the the sound system as well, even though it's in your ear. It's just gonna basically create two different tracks of audio which do not overlap. Something that if you use microphone they will overlap, and that's where you get the echo effect. Now below that we'll have the display, so video resolution. Here I would suggest you to go for 1080p. This will ensure that you have highest quality video. You can also go to custom and set it up yourself. So a resolution. Now it looks like the resolution doesn't really change the size right here, which is a little bit weird, considering it in normal circumstances should, but the bitrate does. Now the higher the bitrate you put in, the clearer the image will look. But as you can see, also going from 8 to 16, you get, double the size. So obviously it is twice as much, so twice as much space it will be taken. And from testing, that is fairly accurate. For 5 minutes of video, you take about 600 megabytes. So yeah. Now if you want to record something and you don't actually have space for it, you can also just drop it down, like I said, to a lower bitrate, but like I said, the quality will suffer a little bit. Now in terms of the bitrate, the quality will be only seen in objects that are moving, so anything that you will be moving on your screen will have like this weird artifact effect, but the moment it's stationary as it is right now, it will look clear. It will basically have the 1080p resolution that is fairly clear. So yeah, and from there, once that's set, you also have front camera. So if you want camera, you can enable it. If you don't, keep it off. I'm gonna just enable it for demonstration purposes. And from here, show touches. So this will basically show a gray dot, semi-transparent, whatever you press your finger to the display. But you can select it on or off, again, however you like. And once you leave this, after you set it up, simply tap on the toggle, agree, allow, agree. And you will have this toggle up here right over here. So it gives you a brief guide on it. So obviously the red button for recording. The middle one is the settings that you can also access by simply holding the toggle, and then close to basically close it. So from there, let's tap on record, and as you can see, there I am. You can move that around, and also you can see that gray dot following my finger. So that is that. And whatever you do now will be recorded. As you can see, now it looks like the notification panel goes over the camera, so that's one thing. But yeah, once you're done with recording, simply click right over here to expand the toggle and close it off, and your video will be automatically saved to your gallery. So let's open that up, and there is the recording. Now I'm gonna also mute it so I don't actually hear myself. But clearly you can see that it is a recording which I have just created, and that is how you would record your screen. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.